Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Appwrite authentication errors step by step. If your users can't sign in, register, or maintain active sessions, the issue is often related to your Appwrite configuration, permissions, or application settings. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appwrite dashboard and open the project where the authentication error is occurring. Make sure you're working with the correct project before troubleshooting any settings. Next, verify that your project ID and endpoint URL are configured correctly in your application. Yeah, even a small typo or using the wrong endpoint can prevent your app from communicating with Appwrite's authentication service. Now, check your authentication settings in the Appwrite dashboard. Confirm that the sign-in method you're using, such as email and password, OAuth, or anonymous authentication, is enabled and configured properly. If you're using OAuth, verify that your callback URLs and provider credentials are correct. If the problem continues, review your application's platform settings and make sure the correct web domain, Android package name, or iOS bundle ID has been added to your Appwrite project. Incorrect platform configuration can block authentication requests. Another useful step is to check your browser's developer tools, your application's console, or the Appwrite logs for detailed error messages. Also, make sure you're using the latest compatible version of the Appwrite SDK and that your server and SDK versions are supported together. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Appwrite authentication errors and restore secure sign-in functionality for your application. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.